Alright, next we're going to do is go in here and see what we got to work with. It appears that these are threaded pretty damn deep in the heads. S&S has made that long ass hardware in there, it looks like. Alright, so we need some longer bolts if we got them. Don't think we had longer bolts, that's why we used what we had. Oh, we got that length right there. Oh, that one's a little bit longer. Oh, I like that. 1/8 inch longer. Perfect. Those are too short. Here's one here with all the crap on it. Those are good bolts. It's great butter. Oh yeah, those are quality bolts. 100%. Look up crap in the encyclopedia and you'll see that bolt. So to use a good bolt that's short, I don't think these are actually that's a good bolt. That one there, it's kind of a crappy, that's a fake one. There's another longer one. That's a good one. That's a short one again. We got two decent short ones. No long ones though. 3/8. Garbage, 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 garbage. Problem, we got no hardware. There's a longer one. Yeah, that's kind of a graded one. That's a long one too. I like that. It's better than this crappy one here, but no hexes on that thing. At least that's got some. No, that's not a hexie. That's B&J. That's a fake one. Now, these are garbage bolts. We'll use those. Just are longer. Limited access to hardware means you got what you got. We have crap. So we have crap. Use those longer bolts. Short stuff goes back. We'll keep it through there. Alright. My bucket works good. I like it. Alright. Make sure there's nothing on here. Appears to be okay. So we're going to put hex head over here and Allen's out here because that makes it easier to get to. I don't have any fancy tools with me, so we'll make do with what we got. Which means we're just going to make it work. So you put the hex bolts in first. Oh, those bolts suck. Or those threads on those heads suck. I'm not sure which one's worse. They're terrible. Yeah. That one went in. This one here, I'm not happy. Yeah, we'll see how it works. Might get those short bolts out and try them out after all. Okay, just lay this up in here. Put the bolts where they belong. So you lay your manifold up in there like that. You go over the hex bolts over on that other side, which you can't see. I'll walk over here, the manifold will probably fall on the ground and break, but oh well. So you can see how those are right there. See how we got hex, so we can put a wrench on here and tighten them. Put Allen's in there. You have to have a special Allen. It's got a hook to it, which is a lot harder to come by. And I didn't bring it. I don't feel like trying to make one. Now these ones over here, regular Allens, you can actually get to them with a ball in here on this side. I really need two hands to do this job, so put the camera up over there. Put this over my head. Kind of see what I'm doing a little bit. Okay. Wheel around till you feel it go in the hole. And you tighten it up. Make sure it's going straight, perpendicular to your flange, not some stupid weird angle. Otherwise you're going to cross thread your head, which is not good. Not good at all. This one's got a little bit more problem to it. This one's not going very easily, and it looks like a different angle. Probably is a different angle. Probably not straight at all. Hard to tell. Keep it lower. Much better. Still doesn't want to go in though. There it goes. There it goes now. Had it cross there the first time, it was up too high. The bolt. See how the bolt angle's going like this? I was in there about like this kind of an angle. It's too high. You didn't want to thread in, so that's the first sign there's something wrong. And this one didn't want to start either. The first thread or two was not too good, but after that it kind of goes in. It's better. Alright, and we'll continue. You have a big long wrench out here I turn this with, but just have to make do with what we got today. Okay, don't put this in all the way, just kind of bring it in a little bit. Okay, about 1/16 from the edge there. Manifold wants to sit there. I'll get a 1/2 inch and go on the other side. Wrench. Tighten up the hex bolts on this side. Okay, so these plug wires are a little bit in the way. We'll deal with it. Now, if you feel like these things bottom out, don't keep forcing them. Some heads are not machined very deeply. These ones look like they were, so I can put longer bolts in them. If you got too short a bolt in there and torque too much, you strip the threads out. Pretty common, actually. Harley's kind of cheap on throwing their heads in there. Don't go very deep. Okay, that one's got some tension on it. Switch over to the next one. This one here is not a happy camper at all. These threads are damaged or they have Loctite on them. Probably both. I know it can't be this nice custom bolt, it's too good. As long as it doesn't break off in there, I'm good. It's got equal torque going in hard. Okay, now this one we go all the way, not quite to the head, but close to it. Okay, now we go on the other side and tighten the Allen all the way down. That's the one that's going to push the manifold inward toward the left. And there's a slot on that side, on the other side, so the manifold can slide in all the way bottom, then you bring the slot, then you tighten this out with the slot at the end. Otherwise you're fighting it. It's pretty tight, so that's staying where it is. These get tight also. I don't have the right tools here. Usually you can't get in with a wrench. Let's see if we can. It looks like I can just barely do it. Rocker box is in the way there. Up here, I don't think I can get any length on this side. Nope, no difference. Okay, go on this side, do the same thing maybe. Nope. Okay, we're going to cheat a little bit, put a wrench on here, do it like that. I don't like torquing bowl drivers very much, they're not very strong. I don't like doing it. I don't do it unless I have to. Appears I have to in this one. Okay, let's see if I get over this again. Almost, just not quite enough. Need to go up just a little bit more of that. Okay, it's starting to get pretty tight. Definitely feel the rubber squeezing on that thing. This one's got the same problem. Limited access. Ugh. Could get below this area, then I could put the wrench on it. Yep, I can torque it that much. Okay, it'll get pretty tight. Don't need to bottom out. Tight, tight. I think that side bottomed, and this one's very close to bottoming, so let's see if I can do it. See if you just get a little bit more. I think this one's going to bottom right here. Uh-oh, what broke? What snapped? Something snapped. And the intake clamp snapped on it. Yep, intake clamp snapped. Flange snapped. Yep, she split. She split. Still tight though, but broken. Yeah, it's definitely tight. Alright, we're gonna leave the other one alone. As I said, don't over torque it. I was torquing it too much. See, it split it right there. Too much torque. Alright, it's on there. Got a port alignment, is pretty good, see? That's pretty good. Not bad. Big port, big head. Lines up good. Think some dumbass broke the intake flange. Gotta watch out for them guys. Alright. We got this thing here. So we got our bolt on top, bolt on the bottom. The reason I'm leaving that is because this bike isn't really going to be ridden much. We don't even know if this motor's even any good, so. It's in such good condition so far, we know it's good, right? Okay, that one's started. All right. Give me an Allen to tighten that with. Okay. All right, carbs on the bike. Choke right there. Okay, so we gotta get some fuel in this thing. Gotta get a battery in here. Gotta figure out the wiring. And light it off, I guess. All right, that's it for now. We'll get some more parts.